What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where you have to check out this awesome Alfa Romeo special livery for the Monza F1 weekend. Now, Alfa Romeo Racing will sport a one-off livery this weekend as their cars take to the Monza circuit for their home Grand Prix. Now, the special livery will commemorate how the team won the first ever Formula One title in 1950 at the now legendary Italian track. And the livery has been created by the Centro Stile Alfa Romeo brand's in-house design office. Now, the logos around the car and the engine cover represent Alfa's 111-year history, incorporating the colors of the Italian flag for good measure as well. Now, meanwhile, you have the upper part of the engine cover that has been turned quadrifoglio green, which is basically Verde Montreal. And special and historic color schemes have become more prevalent to Formula One teams as of recent, with the past with Mercedes, Ferrari, and McLaren all adopting similar over the last years. Meanwhile, back at the museum in Arce, Alfistis will be able to view an Alfa Romeo F1 show car on display. The museum will offer streams of all sessions and the race itself on the big screen in the Julia Hall. There's also a virtual driver meeting planned, as well as a display for Formula One models. And it's been a busy couple of weeks for the run-up to the Italian GP. On the Dutch Grand Prix weekend, it was announced that Alfa Romeo's driver Kimi the Iceman Raikkonen would retire from the sport at the end of his season. And soon after, it was revealed that Kimi had fell to the pandemic and would be forced to sit out of the Grand Prix. Then Monday, the news broke that his replacement would be none other than Mercedes' Valtteri Bottas, who is currently Lewis Hamilton's right-hand man. A good move from Alfa Romeo. Sad to see Kimi go, but this is going to be huge for the brand. But with that said, I wanted to bring light to this very special Tricolore livery to celebrate Alfa's unbreakable bond between their racing team and the Monza's Italian Grand Prix from their first title back in 1950. But with that said, what do you guys think about this tricolor livery, and will you be watching from Alfa Romeo's famous Arce Museum? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on this very special Alfa Romeo F1 livery. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. Now, you guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch if you want to get t-shirts, stickers, tank tops, hoodies, everything Ron's Rides there. You guys should also check out the Ron's Rides Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, see everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.